Morning, Litecoin Foundation, a Litecoin enthusiast. It's December 3rd, 2019, 6:17 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And now the Litecoin manipulation report. Okay, let's take a look at the numbers. First we have to do is find the market makers trades. You can see the first one is at 45.0. Yeah, let's take a little closer look. 45.05 and 44.38. Very easy to spot to the same market size. They're bringing this price down. It's obvious to see. But we could prove that with some simple math. Let's get it out of the way. Okay. $45.05. $0.35. That's not good at all. He's going to bring it down hard. Oops. Let's find that buy side. Okay, you can see there's a 10% difference. The buys are closer. What we did is walked into an orchestrated dump. Now the market maker's trying to level it out. Probably going to start bringing it up soon. Alright, this market is manipulated. It's easy to see. That is about 10% difference. Let's not be lazy. Okay. Yeah, it's a 9% difference. A little less than 9%. Still quite high. The market maker is supposed to keep his trades equidistant, not to influence the price. But then we all know this percentage is very small to what we see. We see differences 25, 30%. So the market's definitely being manipulated by the market maker. I called out that it was going down to around 45 a couple of days ago. We hit 45. So Litecoin follows Bitcoin. Right? Let's see. Okay, let's go here. Let's take a look at the longs chart. We're very high in the longs. What date is this? The 19th. 4 days before we fall off the wall. Oh, it looks like I've seen this pattern before. When the longs are this long, Bitcoin price goes up, so should Litecoin. So we're at the bottom of the cycle. We're going to see, in my opinion, the longs being that high. Let's go back. The Wayback Machine on BTC. Let's take a look what happened around February 15th. History repeats itself, people. Bots always do the same thing over and over. Sorry I'm taking so long. But we're going to see if history repeats itself. And we're going to find a similar situation and see what happened. Here we go. That's when the longs were high last time, and then on the 19th, when the longs were that high before, we went up on BTC. So that should show us where LTC is going as well, because LTC is BTC little brother, and he tags along all the time. So the longs haven't been this high in a long time. Okay? You're talking from February 2019 to the current. Look at the difference. And then you go back here during that time period. This is why I hate Coinbase Pro. And you can see when the longs were that high, we started going up. The longs were peaked out on the 19th. And we got a rise. I think we're going to see this 2 days prior to the peak. It's always been good for the price of Bitcoin, and what's good for Bitcoin is good for Litecoin. So the longs are very high. They might go a little higher. And then we'll see a price spike. So keep your eyes on these longs. We're going to probably see a price spike in Bitcoin, which should affect Litecoin. And it seems like these guys are in accumulation phase. Everybody's betting long. It's either they're going to liquidate the longs, or we're going to have a nice price rise. Here's the area we're looking at that matches that. The longs peaked out on the 19th, and we had a price rise. So either they're going to wipe out the longs, or we're going to get a nice price rise. And when I mean wipe out, they're going to drop the price of Bitcoin down, which will, of course, affect Litecoin. So let's see what happens, people. I think, honestly, it's just going to repeat. Because bots, that's all bots know how to do. This isn't human trading. This market's manipulated. We all know it is. So don't be surprised you see a large price spike in the next 2 or 3 days. Of course, the longs of Bitcoin is going to affect the market. So they're going to bring it up or bring it down. So we're going to see a major move soon. All these trades are in equidistance. You can obviously see that. We had a 5% dip this morning. Just look at the 1 hour. Those that See, during the early morning hours, that's when our beloved market maker likes to steal. This is too manipulated, people. I don't know how anybody trades this crap. The exchanges have turned cryptos into crap. They actually have an intrinsic value to be used to transfer cash or wealth without paying huge fees to some stranger who'll do everything to get put your money in their pocket. It's very hard to. What I found out in this is that BTC is being manipulated with about 50 BTC on this exchange. My friend from India helped me. Very smart guy. He looked at it. Said, "Look, they're manipulating BTC prices with 50 BTC, or the cash equivalent of 50 BTC, and to move the price down, they put up a sell wall 50 BTC. Price goes down. They want it to go up. They put a huge order in to buy 50 BTC, and it moves the price up. That's all they're doing. Since BTC is more expensive, he only plays one side to buy or to sell at a time. On Litecoin, he does it different. He just puts up two walls and moves the walls like a pump up and down. And that's how he guides the price. This is all rigged. It's easy to see. This isn't even, it lacks any sophistication. Simple math reveals it. They'll say, oh, those are only 3 cents off. What are you talking about? That's about 10%, my friend. That's about 10%. That's a lot. And at this 3 cent gap, it's like 10%. We had gaps, dollar, 60 cents before. How do you explain those? And those are all there. They're all recorded. Just go through my videos. There's too many. What happened is, once this market came up, and then there's people in there that realized it was being manipulated, they jumped on the marketing team. You know, the kind of rat skinny bastards that they are. You know, they jumped on, they got out as much as they could by helping their masters rip off the other investors. And now that they've been discovered, now they move in and they play innocent bystander. It wasn't me. They're full of shit. That's like the guy who's driving the getaway car for the bank robbers, just saying, I wasn't in there with a gun and robbed the bank. You're just as guilty. So that's it, people. I said it was going to hit 45. We got it down 40 to 45. It's at 44.66 right now. That was the goal. I hope that's it. But it doesn't look like so, because he's not moving his trade equidistance as compared, his sell trade as compared to his buy trade. See where it is down here? So we'll see. It's a rough ride, this market. I can tell you this right now, the way this is manipulated, these charts are totally useless. All they're showing is after effects. Look, we're not even in an overbought on the RSI, yet the price still continues to go down. People are still dumping like it's overbought, because it's manipulated. It's manipulated. It's plain and simple. The manipulation in this case is plain to see as the nose on your face. Can't be missed. Numbers don't lie. I showed you how to do it. So, we've been going down since June 12th. For half a year, price has been going down. And then you got these idiots, these marketing scammers. Oh, it's going to go up to 1,000 by the end of the year. Does that look like it's going to go up to 1,000? You're lucky if it goes up to 100. And then the same people, after they see that scam doesn't pan out, oh, it's going to go up to 100 at the end of 2020. You know, come up with a new gimmick. Come up with a new one. You're not fooling anybody. You guys are criminals. Your market maker, your exchange, and whoever created this coin are bilking the investors for everything they can get. They're manipulating the market. The market maker's manipulating the price. He doesn't move his trades according to what the market dictates. He's dictating what the market should be trading at, because his trades move first, then the market price moves. And if you can't realize that, then you have a mental problem. Your observation skills of it are impaired. Stop smoking pot. He's driving down the price. He's even added in another trade exactly below his other trade, his daily supposed liquidity trades. Now you won't see over 45 on this because he's moved his trades down. There is no market activity for him to be moving his trades. And if there is market activity, for all you smart asses out there, he's supposed to be moving both trades. How come he's just moving one? It's a scam. They're scammers. They're robbing people. Right now, they're doing this early in the morning. That's why I'm up, because I know that's when they're out there robbing people. When you're asleep, they're sneaking in your living room and stealing everything of value. That's it, people. Do the math, man. The math don't lie. Only people lie. And these guys, I caught them lying. They gave a false statement to the New York Department of Financial Services. And the New York Department of Financial Services is too goddamn dumb to know that they've even been lied to. Let's go over the numbers again. 4505. Somebody asked me, what would you do if you were in charge of New York? What would you do? I'd walk into the FBI's office. It's just down the street. Start teaching these agents. Look at the difference in price. %15 difference in equidistance in the two largest trades in the order book by the supposed most trusted trader that's supposed to be in the order book, and they're 15% off. If you can't see this market is manipulated, don't trade no more. There's nothing can be done for you. These guys are scammers in this crypto market, these speculators. It's not the speculators, it's the market maker themselves. It's the exchanges manipulating the price. This is, it's in full clear knowledge as the nose on my face. This math. It doesn't lie. That's it, people. The market's rigged. Now that it's gone down, whenever he decides it to go up a day or two, it'll go up for no apparent reason. It'll make up some kind of something that happened in South Korea made the market go up. Guarantee why is the market going down? Something that happened in Singapore from some unknown trader in some unknown place. It happens all the time. The stupidity of these people manipulating people. It's like these guys just herd cattle, and you're the cattle. A lot of yous will not learn. You just sit there. Accomplishing what? There's only one product we get from you. I don't mean to be insulting to everybody, but I'm saying if you don't know, use the skills you've been taught. Math. It comes from a slightly higher education. Simple math will tell you that these guys are robbing you. If somebody tells you this costs $1, I'll give you 10% off, give me $1.10. Should ring an alarm bell. But that's the kind of people that we got working at these agencies. They're worried about their career and if they have the latest iPhone. And meanwhile, the market maker, the exchange, and Charlie Lee are robbing everybody blind. It's the biggest exit scam in history. This guy should be in jail and the key should be thrown away. I'm out of here.